Evening, everyone. Dan and Steve. Hey, bud. Howdy, Chicken Garage. Just did some work on an XC300, did some moose bibs, a couple of odds and ends. However, we've got a buddy's bike. This is a 21 TX 300. His crankcase pressure sensor has finally gone after, I don't know, 40 hours or so. Bad, low end, idling, just working bad, a quarter throttle, eighth of a throttle. So anyway, crankcase pressure sensor. I want to do a little video. Now, I've done a couple on my own bike. I took the entire thing apart on my own bike. This one I wanted to explore and do something a little bit differently to see exactly how little I could take off to get this pressure sensor out without some proper tools. Now, the only tool that I've got is this small 1/4 inch ratchet, okay? I don't have one of those bendy Allen key type Torx Allen keys. This is all I have for an Allen key, along with some other ones that won't fit down, into the bottom of the tray here for the pressure sensor. So let me tell you what I did. Tank off, seat off, tire was already off anyway.
Wow, it's not very
Took the whole exhaust off to make more room in here. I undid the throttle body housing, popped the lid off, took the cables off, popped them over the tank here to give me more room in here, loosened the clamps on the throttle body, twisted that back. Then I went in and I unhooked the oil pressure, or the oil tank. Oil pressure tank, whatever that's called. Just unhook that, it'll drop right down. I didn't take off the pressure line, or the oil line. And I didn't disconnect it from the bottom of the tray up here. I just let it dangle. Then what I did, I took the ambient pressure sensor off first. This is the one at the back of the tray here, easy to get at. So what I ended up doing was loosening 2 of the 3 screws that hold the pressure tank, or the bottom of the tray together with these small little Torx 20s. There's 3 of them that hold the tray, okay, up into place. I took this one off, and I took one off the other side. The other one on the other side I left in place so that I could pull the tray down far enough, okay, hard to see, pull the tray down far enough to unscrew and get my little Torx 20 and get that bolt right there where my finger is out of there, and then pop out the pressure sensor. All right, so I got the pressure sensor out. This is it. I put an X on it to signify it's no good. Crankcase pressure sensor. There's the ambient pressure sensor AC with a check mark that I took out. I'm going to put this back in again. I've replaced the other sensor already, like I showed you. It's already in there, right down there, okay, with the screw in it. And just by loosening 2 of the 3 bolts on that tray, you can do that. All right, so pretty simple. I mean, it's a little finicky. You got to take your time. I've had about a beer and a half, and that's all it's taken to get it off and put the new one in. And then I'll put the other sensor in. I'll tie these guys back up. I'll twist this back around again. Oh, I had to twist that to give me some more room down here. So I'll put that back around, put the cables back in, and that should be it. Okay, so just a quick and easy video. Hopefully that helps with anyone without taking apart the whole bike like I've done before, just to give yourself more room. I wanted to try that with this. And like I said, without the tools that some people might use, I was able to do it this way. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.